Traditional Musician of the Year 2018. Well done. Couldn't have gone to a better chapel.
It is also with great pleasure that I've been told that Frankie Gavin will be awarded the Traditional Musician of the Year 2018. We are all very aware of the fact that since the 70s, Frankie has been at the forefront of Irish music, and that over the years he has developed his own unique style, playful, exciting, uplifting, and technically brilliant, with an unmistakable tone. Not only is he regarded as one of Ireland's leading fiddlers, equally as skilled on flute and whistle, but he has also inspired uncountable numbers of musicians by his performances. I know that he continues to be influenced by great musicians of the past and carries on the tradition, especially with the new band, Frankie Gavin and the Providence, he has just created. So congratulations to you, Frankie, for this wonderful prize, and keep on inspiring musicians all over the world with your amazing touch.
Tá lúcaran downer among Gradam Ceoiltóir na Bliana a Ronnie galliafach atá tar éis an irid tafatí éantacha agus tá spántas den sco a chur ar fáilú na linn a chéal ceol. Agus léach chun ceol rátasúnta é thar na blianta fada sa bhaile agus thar lear a réin. Trí na cuid ceol. Bhí agus tá Frankie na masador intachar san na héireann, sco ar naireachta ceol a chur I láthair, agus a hawlú aige do lochtéisteachta náisiúnta agus idirnáisiúnta. Tá an fíorachas ac an Gradam seo a bhronn an achtar Ceoltóir a bhfuil éirim gan cuimseige. Níl fácanéis ach an dealamh áileann seo de John Call a bhronn ar maithara Frankie Gavin.
Thanks so much. I just want to say, first of all, that I'm so pleased and so honoured, as we all are here, to be in the presence of the wonderful President Michael D. Higgins this evening. And I'd also like to thank TG4 TG4 for doing such splendid work for traditional Irish music in Ireland. I'm deeply grateful and deeply honoured. Go to Míle Míle Machach go léir.